I can remember sitting at my desk one day and my left hand just did a little number like that and then stopped. I thought, that was odd. I didn't pay any attention to it. Then a little while later, it did it again a couple times that day, and then it didn't do it for a while. And then one day I was at the gun show with my doctor, and he said, "PJ, I'm just watching you shuffling your feet. You got a little shaking going on that one hand." I said, "I noticed that." He said, "Look, I'm gonna go get you tested and everything." But I went and did, and they confirmed everything. I was on I-10 coming back, and I called Rudy Guichard. I was just ready to end it all. I was like, man, I'm just. That was my mindset going home. And I called Rudy, and when I was talking to Rudy said, "Wait a minute, my brother is like an expert in this stuff." So he calls me back. He's got Michael on the phone. He's like, "PJ, look, it's not a death sentence." And he said, "And then there's DBS." And I'm like, "Okay, so what's DBS?" I give up. He said Deep Brain Stimulation. And he said, that's where I get involved. He said, "But right now, I'm gonna put you with Dr. Wag and then Gerald Callaghan." They got me under control really quick with the medicine that I was taking, where they had me so well medicated that kind of brought it into light to me that this isn't a death sentence. I mean, I can't thank them enough. Constantly checking on me. The care that they gave me was second to none. The hospital was unbelievable. I can't even imagine going to any place other than that place. That was probably the nicest hospital stay that I've ever had. The thing that helped me the most is them walking me through every step of the way and every little detail about the surgery itself. And you're just kind of like leaning back a little bit. You got your head shaved. They're drilling away, and it's like, sounds like a 747 taking off in your head. And then the next thing, they start running the wires into your brain. After he gets all finished and everything, he said, "Okay, let's test the battery." So I'm like this on the table, and all of a sudden he does it. It's like, I mean, it was the best feeling in the world. I can't even describe it. But you feel like this for 10 years, and I just wanted my life back. And DPS gave me my life back.